Kapag tayo ay nagmamahal, laging may music. Kapag broken-hearted, may music. Kapag masaya, may music. Kapag malungkot, may music. Kapag bored, may music. Music is always part of our daily lives. And this next performance came from a very, very famous musical. It's called West Side Story from New York. So please enjoy this next piece with the Worship Orchestra as they perform the ensemble of West Side Story. The setting of the story is 1950s America, specifically on the west side of New York City, where tensions run high between two rival gangs, the Jets and the Sharks. The streets are a battleground for supremacy and respect. They orchestrate the secret wedding ceremony, declaring their undying love for each other. It's a poignant moment of unity and defiance in the face of prejudice and violence, symbolizing their unwavering commitment to each other, despite the odds stacked against them. Thank you, orchestra.